Hello, my name is Reza Janati, and this is my Greenbelt exam. First, we start with the main page where you type in the name and the budget, and if you don't put anything in the name field, and if you don't put anything in the budget field, it should give me some errors. So let's try that. Submit. Name can't be blank, budget can't be blank. Cool. So let's try it with just a name, and budget can't be blank. Now let's try it with just a budget. Name can't be blank. Okay, cool. We've got those working. So now I'm going to put name in, and I'm going to put a budget in. And it should redirect me to my expense page. Cool. So at the top I have the total, the amount of money that's in my budget, minus the amount of the expenses that I've made. So let's add another expense. Let's say it's a bike. And I spent $1,300 on it. So I add that to my table, and it automatically subtracts from my total. Now, I've got that functionality going. Let's see. Well, let's give it 30. Cool. Now, for the delete function, I was unable to do it the way that it was required, so I couldn't delete each line by hitting the delete button. So the way that I remedied this, I went with what I know, and in my database here, it's auto-incrementing, so if I take the ID number, say I want to delete grain, it's ID number 9. I go back to my page and I type in the field 9 for the grain, and now grain should disappear when I hit this delete button. Cool, it did. I was attempting to display the expense ID number from my database so that I could actually enter it in here, but I wasn't able to do that properly. But the delete function works, the table function works, and I can see that the total changed because I deleted a line from the database, and it automatically did. So let's do another one. If I delete line 14, which was flowers, it should put $30 back into my total. So I'll pick line 14, I'll hit delete, and now it should say 28130. And it does. Cool. So this is my Greenbelt exam, and I enjoy being at Coding Dojo. Thank you for your time.